In a major leap forward for Taiwan's maritime defense capabilities, CSBC Corporation unveiled the Endeavor Manta on March 25, 2025, marking the introduction of the nation's first domestically developed unmanned surface vessel, USV. The launch event, held at Xingda Port in Kaohsiung, showcased a live demonstration of the Manta's maneuvering prowess on the water, attended by military and industry leaders. Inspired by recent conflicts, particularly Ukraine's strategic use of unmanned vessels to target larger naval forces, the Endeavor Manta is designed to apply asymmetrical warfare tactics in the Taiwan Strait. Taiwan's strategic vision is to counter larger adversarial naval assets with smaller, faster, and highly agile platforms that can operate in challenging maritime environments. The Manta's development was heavily influenced by the Ukrainian military's use of unmanned surface vessels, USVs, during the Russia-Ukraine war, which proved that small, agile boats could successfully challenge much larger and more advanced ships. This concept was demonstrated with the sinking of a Russian Project 775 landing ship in February 2024 and the attack on another Russian vessel in the Black Sea in March 2024. For Taiwan, the Endeavor Manta serves as a cost-effective solution to combat the growing naval power of China, particularly the Chinese People's Liberation Army Navy (PLAN), which has conducted large-scale military exercises in the region. Measuring 8.6 meters in length and 3.7 meters in width, the Endeavor Manta boasts an impressive top speed of over 35 knots. Its trimaran hull design ensures exceptional stability and maneuverability in the often turbulent seas of the Taiwan Strait. The vessel's stealthy, minimalist structure is inspired by the natural agility and camouflage abilities of the manta ray, aligning with its mission to strike swiftly and quietly. It can carry over 1 ton of payload, including light torpedoes or high-explosive warheads, making it a formidable weapon against larger naval units. The Manta's versatility extends beyond military operations. It can be deployed rapidly from any port or coastal location in Taiwan, and it supports a variety of uses including surveillance, port security, and emergency response. Its control system, capable of managing up to 50 mantas at once, supports autonomous navigation, AI-based target identification, and a robust anti-hijacking feature that allows the vessel to self-destruct if captured. This level of autonomy and operational flexibility positions the Manta as a unique asset for both defense and non-combat roles, such as offshore wind farm security or disaster response. Despite its military focus, the Manta's potential extends beyond warfare. Its modular design allows for configurations tailored to specific missions, including civilian applications such as scientific research and rescue operations. Furthermore, Taiwan's emphasis on domestic production ensures that the Manta is free from reliance on foreign components, with all critical systems either locally sourced or developed in-house, reducing costs and increasing control over its future upgrades. The launch of the Endeavor Manta is a testament to Taiwan's innovative approach to defense, combining cutting-edge autonomous technology with strategic naval engineering. As geopolitical tensions in the Taiwan Strait continue to rise, the Manta represents a bold step towards modernizing Taiwan's defense capabilities with an eye on both military and non-military applications.